What's up, everybody? Another day, another vlog. Today's a beautiful Sunday. It's about 10 o'clock and we are here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley in the mass plan community of Providence. So today what we're gonna do is meet up with the client and we're gonna do a final walkthrough. If you are just tuning into the channel for the first time, what is a final walkthrough? Basically, when you're about to close on a home, typically about 3 days prior to closing, we're gonna come back to the property to make sure everything is all still intact, and also we wanna make sure the sellers actually moved out of the house. Ooh, let's take a look, see what we got. Looks a lot different now. Looks like they still got some stuff to clean up. Got the keys, garage door openers. Now keep in mind, sometimes you're not going to get all the keys, that's fine, because you're going to replace the keys anyway. Garage door openers, you may not get them all, you may get one or two or none, but you're going to go down to Lowe's or Home Depot. They have so many universal remotes that you can actually program. So we decided to come to Meadows Mall, and it's 10 minutes till 11, but they don't open until 11. Come to find out, I think we're the only people that get up early in the morning to go to the mall. Like, that's how you know when you're getting older. Open it up. Here we go.
Thank you. You have a hair appointment?
Oh, no.
We don't open until 11.
I know, I'm just kidding.
I mean, if you guys want to stand just right there.
Yeah, out of the sun?
Yeah.
Come, darling.
You can stand right here. That's nice of you.
Thank you.
Just like right here inside the door.
Oh, thank you.
In here?
Right here.
Oh, on this side. Okay, thanks. Oh, thanks. At least we got some air conditioning now.
Thank you.
Oh, that was very nice of her.
That was very nice of her.
I know, we don't have to wait outside. You ever seen that one movie, babe? Where that guy got like
locked in a store of some sort?
Yeah, I think he got locked in the store and he fell in love with that mannequin and it was like real.
Oh, that's like an 80s movie.
Yeah.
It's called Mannequin, I think.
So we're waiting for the mall to open here. We got a couple minutes. And look at all the people just pouring in. Coming in just to wait for the mall to be open. This is like one of those things where, was that Black Friday? Everybody like rushes in to go and buy something. Nice and soft. You know what I like about these? It doesn't go straight. It kind of like, kind of rounds off. So I tried these. Actually, I really do like these because they're nice.
And it's
soft.
the texture that you like too.
Yeah. So it's about what, 11:30 right now. This mall is like closed still. Oh, here's that mango thing I like right here. Look, babe. Those are delicious right there. Maybe that's good too right there, that candy. Oh, is this Lee Moy gummy worms?
There's chamoy.
Oh, wow. That must be pretty good. I like that chamoy stuff. If you guys don't know what that chamoy sauce is, it's like a Mexican, like, it's spicy, sweet, and also sour at the same time, right? And a little bit salty too as well. Every time we come here to popcorn, literally the aroma throughout the whole Fantastic Sam's.
Fantastic Sam's.
That's what, oh no. What's the name of this place?
Fantastic Indoor Swapmeet.
Yeah, Fantastic Indoor Swapmeet. I always call it Fantastic Sam for some reason. No, it is her. You guys need some wigs. We'll make you some wigs. Get the hibiscus, but can we try the citrus water? Oh, that's like a mango orange. What do you think? Yeah, we should do the hibiscus. Oh, this one right here?
You want to try it? Or
No. I was talking about that one, but we're gonna get this one though for
you
sure.
want this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the sweet, spicy one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you get some beef jerky, please? Oh, I forget which one I always get. I think I always get the spicy one. I think it's the one over there we always get, huh, babe?
Don't ask me.
Oh, you're not, babe? I think it's this one over here. Oh, they even got like a mango, hot mango, but I don't know if I'm feeling the mango one. I think it was like a regular, but it was like a spicy one. Also, guys, we are at Son's Beef Jerky in the corner booth, and this is the owner, correct?
One of them.
One of them. Oh, the boss is not here, so never mind. The
boss-
real one.
The boss is right there.
Yeah, the boss is right here. And that's the spiciest one?
No, the spiciest one is right up here, the tie number 10.
But they're two different jerkies though, right?
Yes, they are. Here's a sample of it. You get to chew it a while. You're not chewing long enough.
Oh, is that what it
It
is?
takes 10, 15 seconds of chewing to
You know what I gotta do?
get it wet.
Just
The
look,
seed's wet.
the whole technique here is you come here and you try as much of samples as you can, then you have your beef jerky fixed. That's how you do it.
That's it. These are
I'll
both,
take-
both of the same flavor.
So I'll take 5 of these and 5 of those.
The small ones,
No, the big ones.
I don't have any large ones left of that.
Oh my
I got
god.
5 small ones.
I guess I'm gonna have to get 5 small ones. So how much are these ones?
They're $5 each.
So they're $5 each for these ones here. And these ones are $10, so let me get 5 of these. Alright, take off, let's go! So basically if you get 10 of these, right? 10 of these, you get 1 free one.
That's correct.
Look, she have a line for urban necessities. I think it's skin design tattoos. It's also like a barber shop. Wow, look at all the shoes. Oh, this is kind of cool.
It looks like that there's different things in there.
So right now, me and Jessica, we're here at the Rolex store, trying to price out this watch that I've always wanted. But I'll try to keep it on a down low because they said there's no filming. But I don't care. I'm doing it because of you guys. Oh, you can't touch. Look how old school and clean this thing is. Got the F1 car. It's cool, right? Yeah, this company must be making a lot of money. Oh, that's a Ford. I think it's Ford GT, right? I think it's called. Oh, you broke it. Now you gotta buy it. Oh, they make it so easy for you.
So
huh?
easy, Dad. Typically it's a one shot.
Pretty good, but working with them long nails.
Oh goodness. You should have seen when I was at home still typing. That was the difficult part. Let's see.
About to do the band thing. This is the best part. When you rip it open, it's like I'm a kid in the candy store. What were these color themes off of? Is it like a regular color?
No, it's for Black History Month.
Oh, okay. Got the new phone, got the new band. I'm feeling fresh. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Is that pretty much it then?
That's it. You're all set.
Okay,
Your
cool.
receipt has been emailed to you. You're all set.
So, you see this right here? It said 6 pies, and I was telling Jessica, These are the new computers. They're called 6 Pies.
The funny thing is there's actually 6 computers there, so at first I believed him.
But then she read the back and it was basically, please stand 6 feet apart. Crazy. Alright guys, so we just got done eating over here at Cheesecake Factory. It was pretty good. I tried to get some video footage in there. Didn't come out really that well. However, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. Until next time, peace.